Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Aastha here. So today in this video we are going to make a marble quiz app in code.org app lab. So let's begin. So firstly, I have already designed and coded the whole app. So firstly, let me quickly take a output. So let's click on the run button. So now I'm going to click on the marble quiz and then let's start. What is the thunder of God? Thor. So now how many captains were how many years was Captain America frozen for in Captain America the First Avenger? So let's
You
take a
lose.
wrong answer. Okay, what is Dr. Robert Burns? Let's
You
take
lose.
any of that, okay? The Iron
You lose. You
Asgard
lose.
7.
You
Okay.
lose.
So I'm taking
You lose.
the wrong answers right now.
You lose.
Okay, so this is the last screen. Okay. So now firstly I will tell you how I have made the app, and uh, in this video I will tell you about the some of the new codes, and in the next video I will also tell that how we can make another we can say that how we can take more new components using for making this quiz app. Okay, so let's begin with this. So firstly I have taken an image. I have the ID is image 1. The width is 315 and then the height is 185 pixel. X position is 0, Y position is -5, and then I have taken an image. You can take welcome PNG. Okay, so I'm going to click on the images. Now you can get many more images from here. Whatever you want to take, you can take it. Okay, so now the next is I have done the fit image contain, and you can see like the same I have just copy the paste these two images, and but the properties are a little bit changed. So let me tell you, the image ID is image 2 and the width is 320 pixel, the height is 190 pixel, X position is 0, Y position is 175, and then I have taken an image fit image contain, and that's it. Then we have taken a button. So the ID of this button is button 1. Then the text is written marble quiz. Alright. Now the width is 180, the height is 60, X position is 100, Y position is 390, text color is pink, background color is yellow. Whatever you want to take the text color and the background color, you can change. The font family is Arial, black. Font size is 20, text alignment is center, border width is 2 pixel, border color and all. Okay, so let's move on to the next screen. So there are a lot of the screens, so let's cover up all the screens. So I have taken the screen 1. Now let me go to the screen 2. So now here I have taken a image. It is a GIF image, and this is also a image. Okay, so this is the image 3. The width is 310, the height is 205, X position is 10, Y position is -10. That's it. In this image 4, I think you guys not be able to see, but when I'm clicking on the image 3, it is showing image 3. When I'm clicking on the image 4, it is showing image 4. Okay. So the width is 335, the height is 260, the X position is -5, the Y position is 185. That's it. Now the button I have taken, that is button 3. Let's start. The width is 155, height is 55, X position is 110 pixel, the Y position is 385 pixel, the text color is white, The background color is orange. Let me change it. It's not looking cool, right? Okay, let me make it comic, and the font size is going to be, I think, 35. Yes, it's cool. It's looking good. Now the text alignment is center. The border width is 1 pixel. The border radius is 4 pixel. Let's move on to the screen 3. So guys, it is, looking something bad. The designing is a little bit bad. So what I'm going to do is I will tell you the all the things, and I will also, manage all the things by telling you all. Okay. So it's, simply it's not looking good. So I will not change any ID or anything. I'm just showing you. Okay, so in the first one, here's a label first. In the label, I have written label 1. The text is what is the god of thunder. So what you have to do, just to take these questions of Google, or you can take by yourself. So I'm just giving you user Google. So now the answer is Thor. Okay, so I have the answer is Thor. Okay, so I'm just, for that whether it is correct or not, the answer is. So for what I'm just taking it Google. Okay, now then we are taking a button, that is button 4. Okay, the text is Thor, and with 150, height 45, X position is 75, Y position is 180, text color is white, the background color is orange. Let me change the font size as 25. Text alignment is center. Alright, so the next is the button. Let me do firstly make it comic. Yes, so now let me tell you. The ID is button 5. The text is Iron Man. The width is 140. Height is 45. X position is 70. Y position is 240. Text color is white. Background color is orange. And then the font family is comic. Font size is 25. So I will tell you till Y position, and that's it. All the properties of the downside are same, so I will not tell, otherwise my time is going to waste. Totally it's going to waste. Okay, so the ID is button 6. The text is the Hulk, width is 100 pixel, height is 40 pixel, the X position is 105, the Y position is 290, text color is white, background color is uh, orange, and the font size is 25. Alright, let me change the, it's not arranged in a proper way. So now in this one also you guys can see, you can also take a screenshot if you want. Okay, so I will not tell you the all the, I'm going to tell you a trick. Otherwise, if I will tell you the whole things, then it will going to take a lot of time. So what you're going to do is, let me just make it firstly like this. Okay, so all right, so I will tell you, I have tell the screen 3 properly. So what you have to do is just click on the screen 3, and then you have to click on the duplicate option. So let me click on the duplication. Now you can see duplicated screen 3 to screen 13. Okay, so this is the screen 13. All right, so let me make it delete because I'm already having that screen. So let me move on to the screen 3. So you, like the same, you have to copy the whole screens one by one, and then which one is the last screen? Let me just see it. I think the 12th screen. Yes. So now the 12th screen is the last screen. So here we have taken a score, and then I have taken another label. Both are the labels, but it is a separate label, and the second one is a separate label. In the first one, it here is written score, as you guys can see. Alright, so Okay, so it is the score. Let me change the text color. Alright, okay. So now here I am going to take a image 5. The image 5 is width 300, height is 295, x position is 10, y position is 130, and I have taken an image from the Google. Then I have taken a fit contain image, border width is 0, border color is black, and that's it. So like the same I have duplicated, you guys have to duplicate the almost 10 screens, okay, by yourself, because you must know how to do these things. Okay, so now let's begin with the code. So quickly I'm going to tell you the code. So firstly I have taken a variable x equals to 0. It's going to help us for adding the scores. So firstly I have taken an on event button 1. When this marble quiz button is going to click, we are going to navigate it or set the screen to screen 2. Let's move on to the screen 2. Now on event button 3. When this let's start button is going to click, we are going to move to the screen 3. Okay, let's go to the screen 3. Now what is going to happen when we are going to click on this button 4, that is Thor. So what, please guys see the very carefully this code, otherwise you guys are going to confuse. Okay, so firstly I have taken button 4, the on event button 4, then it is the right answer, right? So the Thor is the right answer, so I have taken x equals to x plus 1. You guys know that from where I have taken these blocks. From this purple one I have taken from the variables, and this orange one I have taken from the maths. Now the next is set number label 111, sorry, label 11x. Now the let me move on to the last screen. So here you guys can see label 11 and then the variable we have written. Now the set property button for background color is going to be green. Be careful. The property of the button 4, when we are going to click on the button 4, firstly it's going to add a point and it's going to set the number on the label 11, that is x, and then when we are going to click on the button, the same it's going to change the background color as green because it's the right answer, and it's going to also play a sound. Now the time loop. Okay, so you have to go to the control and then you have to take a last second block, which is this. Okay, now stop sound and set screen to the screen 4. Okay, it's going to for the 1 second, and then it's going to be navigated to the screen 4, and then it's going to also stop the time loop. That's it. Now I'm going to tell these all, or for the correct options you have to just to copy and paste, and you have to change the IDs. That's it. Now I will tell you one more code that is for the wrong answer. I have tell you the first code that was for the right answer. This is for the wrong answer. So now on event button 5. Let me move on to the screen 3. So here is the button 5. Iron Man is a wrong answer. So firstly what is going to happen is set property to button 5, background color is going to be red. So marble quest, then let's. So now when I click on the Thor, it's going to convert it into the green. Okay, when I'm going to click on this Iron Man, it's going to show the red background. That's it. And this play sound is, I have taken a play sound, then I have taken a time loop, set stop sound, and then set screen to the screen 4. As like the same, I have also stopped the time loop. Like the same, all the codes are going there. So now quickly you have to also see that on which screen is going to navigate. Let me show you one more time that is it working perfectly or not. So I'll click on the Thor. Let's choose out a wrong correct answer, and then
You lose.
wrong answer, correct answer.
You lose.
Okay.
You lose.
Lose. I'm losing. Okay, it's the correct answer. Correct. So I think
You
assignment.
lose.
Oh, kept. So I have scored the 5 score and then it's going to show congratulations, well done. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If yes, then give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. Link is in the description. From there you can also subscribe, or below this video you can see the subscribe button. Click on that icon and make it great. And if you have not joined my Telegram group, do join my Telegram group. Link is in the description. If you want to share this app with me, you can also share me with a click on the share option, and then you have to copy it and you have to place on my Telegram group. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video. Till that, take care and bye bye.